Sargramostim, also known as Leukine Vial, is a man-made version of a natural substance in your body. It helps your body produce more white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. This medication is prescribed to people with reduced white blood cell production, often due to chemotherapy or exposure to radiation. It is also used in certain treatment procedures, such as bone marrow or stem cell transplants. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking Leukine Vial will be determined by your healthcare provider based on your specific medical condition. Before starting to use Leukine Vial, read the patient information leaflet from your pharmacist. This medication is given by injection under the skin or into a vein, usually once a day. The dosage is based on your medical condition, body size, lab tests, and response to treatment. If you are using this medication at home, learn all preparation and usage instructions from your healthcare professional. Do not shake the medication and check for particles or discoloration before using. If you are injecting this drug under the skin, clean the injection site with rubbing alcohol and change the injection site each time. Use this medication regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. This medication may cause a reaction after the first dose of each treatment period. Tell your doctor or nurse right away if you have any signs of a serious reaction. If you are receiving cancer chemotherapy or radiation treatment, you should not use this medication within 24 hours before or after it. Ask your doctor for specific directions about when to use this medication. If you experience aching or pain in your bones and muscles, or a headache, you may take a non-aspirin pain reliever such as acetaminophen to help relieve the pain. Redness, swelling, itching, or bruising at the injection site may also occur. If any of these effects last or get worse, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Tell your doctor right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as fast or irregular heartbeat, chest pain, sudden weight gain, swelling in the ankles, feet, or hands, shortness of breath, black or bloody stools, stomach or abdominal pain, vomiting that is bloody or looks like coffee grounds, or vision problems. While a very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's important to seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed above, contact your doctor or pharmacist for more information. Remember, it's always best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for any questions or concerns regarding your medication. Before using Leukine Vial, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, especially to yeast or benzyl alcohol. Also, let them know about your medical history, including lung disease, heart problems, liver disease, kidney disease, and swelling. It's important to disclose all the medications you are currently taking, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products, before undergoing surgery. If you are pregnant, use this medication only if necessary and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also essential to consult your doctor before breastfeeding while using this medication. Remember to follow your doctor's guidance on the optimal dosage and timing for taking Leukine Vial. When taking Leukine Vial, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure that you are taking Leukine Vial safely and effectively. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice on the best timing and daily dosage for your specific needs. If someone has taken too much Leukine Vial and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical assistance. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. While using Leukine Vial, it is important to undergo lab and/or medical tests to monitor your complete blood count, as well as kidney and liver function. It is crucial to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. When using Leukine Vial, it is important to take each dose as scheduled. If you happen to miss a dose, it is crucial to consult your doctor or pharmacist immediately to determine a new dosing schedule. It is important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When storing Leukine Vial, it should be kept in the refrigerator and in its original package to protect it from light. It should not be frozen or shaken. After mixing, it should be used within the time period indicated in the product instructions or as advised by your pharmacist. It is important to keep all medications away from children and pets. When it comes to disposing of the product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.